明けまして。
明けまして。
おめでとうございます。
おめでとうございます。
Hi everyone.
Time flies so fast. It's already New Year. So, how was your 2013?
Well, my 2013 was so amazing. I met a lot of new friends. I met a lot of new students, and I enjoyed it a lot. How about you? What's your plans for 2014?
Well, I hope more students will come here this coming New Year, and I wish that I could teach them better, they will learn more, and we'll all have a great experience here in C21.
Yes, and speaking of that, I'd like you guys to take care of yourself because I know it's winter time, so you have to wear very thick clothes because remember, health is wealth. And we all wish you a Happy New Year.